Imagine a financial institution so powerful it could sway entire economies. A bank whose ownership is shrouded in mystery, fueling speculation and intrigue. That's North One Bank. North One Bank, a titan in the financial world, has a history as enigmatic as its owners. It has grown into a global powerhouse, offering a wide range of financial services. But who are the people behind this financial behemoth? Who holds the keys to its vast wealth and influence? The ownership of North One Bank has been a subject of much speculation and debate over the years. Some believe it's controlled by a small group of wealthy individuals, while others suggest it might be owned by a shadowy organization. One of the most persistent theories is that North One Bank is owned by a group of wealthy families known as the old money elite. These families, with deep roots in European aristocracy, are believed to have amassed immense wealth over centuries. They are often associated with secretive societies and exclusive clubs. However, there is little concrete evidence to support this theory. North One Bank has been notoriously tight-lipped about its ownership, and there have been few public disclosures. Another theory suggests that the bank might be owned by a sovereign wealth fund. Sovereign wealth funds are investment funds established by governments to invest surplus revenue. Some countries, particularly those with abundant natural resources, have established large sovereign wealth funds. It's possible that a sovereign wealth fund from a wealthy nation might have acquired a significant stake in North One Bank, or even taken full ownership. This would provide the government with a source of investment income and influence in the global financial system. Yet another theory proposes that North One Bank might be owned by a multinational corporation. Corporations often diversify their investments into various industries, including finance. It's possible that a large corporation, perhaps one with interests in other sectors such as technology or energy, might have acquired North One Bank. While these theories offer intriguing possibilities, the true ownership of North One Bank remains a mystery. The bank has been successful in protecting the privacy of its shareholders, making it difficult to determine who is truly in control. Some experts believe that the bank's ownership structure might be intentionally complex. By spreading ownership across multiple entities and jurisdictions, the bank can make it more difficult for regulators or competitors to trace its activities. Despite the lack of definitive information, the question of who owns North One Bank continues to fascinate the public. The bank's enigmatic nature has fueled speculation and conspiracy theories, adding to its mystique. So, who truly owns North One Bank? The answer remains elusive. While there are various theories and speculations, the bank has been successful in keeping its ownership structure a secret. The question of who owns North One Bank is not just a matter of curiosity. It also raises important questions about transparency, accountability, and the concentration of power in the financial system. As the world becomes increasingly interconnected and globalized, the ownership of financial institutions like North One Bank becomes even more significant. The people who control these institutions have the power to shape economies, influence governments, and even destabilize entire societies. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.